Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to summarize CSV files with ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to summarize CSV files with ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis, all you can do is simply go and tap open your ChatGPT. Once you do this, you need to simply upload your file using the paperclip like icon. Simply tap on the plus sign, tap on add files, and simply add the file you want to upload. Now you can simply type in the prompt like summarize the key trends in this dataset or calculate the average sales by region or something like this. So you can ask for like different follow-up questions to explore more about the data conversationally and request specific visualization like charts, summaries of different data segments and stuff. So this way you can simply summarize CSV files with the ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.